Happy Dappy, Super Duper.
Monday.
No, Monday.
Oh, it's Saturday. Wait a minute.
Saturday. And I'm a little discombobulated because usually on Saturday mornings this time, I'm heading to the disc golf course if I'm in this neck of the woods. But we volunteered for this Saturday. It's only till noon. But we volunteered.
Yeah, we're making $1,000 an hour, so why not?
Heck yeah, I wish it was $1,000 an hour. That'd be $4 grand we'd make today, dude.
Damn.
Holy schmolies.
Rolling in the dough.
Dang, yeah, that would be nice. I'm sure somebody's making $1 grand an hour somewhere today.
Somewhere in the world, you know.
Yep, you know
that's
that.
Not us.
Nope. So today's big plans, today's big future agenda for this Saturday is I work until noon, and I'm gonna go back and do some laundry and
Take a nap
and whatnot, because this evening yours truly has been invited to church with Brother James and Sister Dorothy.
Visual Mass. Catholic.
Visual Mass. Of course, they're Catholic religion.
It's a beautiful, it's beautiful.
I'm excited. I really am. It's not until 8 o'clock or 8:30 this evening. It's a late one. So what I'll probably do is I'll just vlog my day, and then after let's say around 4:30 or 5, I'll just edit it all together, slap it together, and put it out in the world. So I'll be ready for tonight's candlelight mass.
Candlelight, yes.
Candlelight mass.
We got candles. We got lights. We got people. We're ready to go.
Ready to go.
We're waiting on us.
Ready to go. Yeah, they're waiting on us. Yours truly. Alrighty, my friends. Without further ado, let's get this most bodacious, groovy, excellent. Speaking of bodacious, groovy, excellent, did you hear that there's possibly a script in the works for Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure 3?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they released some teaser photo yesterday of Keanu Reeves and
I don't know, he got stupider since this thing came up.
Well, he was in the phone booth, so
yeah.
So
I know who you're talking about.
yeah, I can't remember the guy who played, his sidekick.
It'll come to us.
It'll come to us. If anybody wants to remember, please chime in.
Yeah.
Please chime in.
Let us know what we're doing wrong.
Yeah, let me know what's going on. I can't remember. It's too early. I'm discombobulated. Anywho, without further ado, let's get this most groovy, bodacious, excellent Saturday started.
God bless you all.
God bless you all. Looking a little cloudy up there. It sure is. What you think, Mr. Ranger Dog? Alrighty, friends. So we stopped here at the local convenient drug store, whatever you want to call it. Walgreens. I guess that's what's the official name for it. Brother James had to run inside, so Ranger Dog and I are just hanging out here. Just hanging out. Ranger's watching the world go by, doing what Ranger Dog likes to Ranger do. Anywho, off work. It was a groovy 4 hours of work. It was really, we got our stuff done, and it was slow, of course, but I'm not going to complain, because there's a little extra cash in the pocket when I get my paycheck. All that groovy jazz. So Brother James and I had some greasy tacos for lunch, and now we're running some errands, getting some things done. All that groovy jazz, and then I'm gonna go do my laundry, get my laundry done, and take a nap. I'm actually gonna take a nap so I can go to church with them tonight, because their church starts at 8:30. Can't forget. Anywho, folks, just a little chime in, the dealio. That's what's going on. Alrighty, friends. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are gonna call it a day. Well, actually, we're gonna relax. I'm gonna get my video uploaded and all that, so I can go to Candlelight Mass this evening with my friend James and Sister Dorothy. So until we see you beautiful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk from the old VW bus, love one another, be kind to one another, be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know when those moments will change. Peace, love, and always Volkswagen grease.